Good morning, class ninth. Today I am going to cover now descriptive paragraph writing part 1 because after scanning the final examination paper I came to know that paragraph writing is given for final examination. So in the pre-board also we had given you the paragraph writing, personal paragraph writing and descriptive writing. So here are some examples. In this week from Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday I am going to give you all the paragraph writings in my videos. Number 1. The traits of a musician are given in the below. Use these and write a short paragraph in about 100 to 120 or 150 words. Okay. So here are the some traits or the hints are given here. A.R. Rahman, Indian composer, singer, songwriter, music producer, musician and philanthropist. Born in Chennai on 6 January 1967, graduated from Trinity College, Oxford University, famous in integrating Indian classical music with electronic music, world music and traditional orchestral arrangements, recipient of the Padma Shri and the Padma Vibhushan Awards, 2 Oscars and a Golden Globe, a notable humanitarian and philanthropist, donates and raises money for a number of causes and charities. So such type of points or the value points or hints will be given to you. Okay, on the basis of these hints you have to develop your paragraph. Okay, so here is the answer for your understanding. A.R. Rahman, Allah Rakha Rahman, is an Indian composer, singer, songwriter, music producer, musician and philanthropist who was born in Chennai on 6 January 1967. Rahman was earlier known as A.S. Dilip Kumar before he converted from Hinduism to Islam. He is a graduate from Trinity College, Oxford University. His extensive body of work for film and stage earned him the nickname of the Mozart of Madras. He first debuted with the movie Roja. He is famous in integrating Indian classical music with electronic music, world music and traditional orchestral arrangements. He is the recipient of the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan awards. He has won 2 Oscars and Golden Globe too. He is a notable humanitarian and philanthropist. He does a lot of charity work too. He donates and raises money for a number of causes and charities. Men like him are hard to find. So this was the description about A.R. Rahman with the help of the points. So children, try to make the paragraphs, okay, small paragraphs when the ideas are changing, and complete your descriptive writing. So you will be given 5 marks on this writing. I am moving on to the number 2 now. Write a short descriptive paragraph on the famous Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman in 100 to 150 words on the basis of the following inputs. So inputs, hints, points are given here. Born on 7 November 1888 in Madras, physician by profession, okay, worked in the field of light scattering. The discovery is known as Raman effect. Won Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery, elected Fellow of the Royal Society in 1924. In 1954, India honored him with its highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Breathed his last on 21st November 1970. Breathed his last means died, okay, on 21st November 1970. So these are the points, and now I am giving you the answer here. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, born on 7 November 1888 in the former Madras province of India, presently Tamil Nadu, was an Indian physician who carried out ground-breaking work in the field of light scattering. He discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength. This phenomena of Raman effect earned him the 1930 Nobel Prize for Physics. Raman was honored with a large number of honorary doctorates and memberships of scientific societies. He was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society early in his career in 1924 and knighted in 1929. He later resigned from the fellowship in 1968 for reasons unrecorded, the only Indian FRS ever to do so. So this was all about Sir Chandrasekhara Venkataraman. So in this way, children, you have to develop descriptive paragraph properly, okay, and in very clear language, right? So that it will be understood to everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.